Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Founded in 1945 as the 4105th Army Air Forces Base Unit, Aircraft Storage, the 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group, or AMARG's, primary mission was to house Boeing B-29 Superfortress and Douglas C-47 Skytrain aircraft.
Shortly after the Second World War, there were huge quantities of surplus aircraft scattered all over the world. A lot of them were scrapped where they were in theater, depending on the types. Other airframes were identified as having value for potential future use, or there just wasn't enough capacity in the overseas theaters to dispose of them as required. So a lot of them were ferried back here. In particular to Arizona, a lot of B-17s, B-24s, and B-25s were all located here.
The strategic location of Davis-Monthan Field in Tucson, with its low humidity, infrequent rainfall, alkaline soil, and high altitude, proved ideal for reducing rust and corrosion, ensuring the preservation of these retired planes. Over the years, AMARG evolved, being redesignated as the 3040th Aircraft Storage Depot and later the 3040 Aircraft Storage Squadron, after the Air Force's creation as a separate service. In 1965, it took on a broader responsibility as the Military Aircraft Storage and Disposition Center, processing aircraft for all branches of the United States Armed Forces. Throughout its illustrious 70-year history, the Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Center, or AMARC, has continuously excelled in fulfilling its distinctive mission elements. From aircraft storage and preservation to the reclaiming and reinstating of critical parts and the supply chain, AMARC has played a pivotal role in ensuring the longevity and sustainability of retired aircraft. Furthermore, the center's expertise extends to regenerating valuable planes, reviving them for potential flying service, and offering limited depot maintenance and modifications when required. AMARC demonstrates its commitment to responsible asset management through proper disposal practices. And its recent accomplishments in achieving financial improvement and audit readiness certification serve as a testament to its excellence in the field. Embracing the future while preserving the past, AMARC recently marked a milestone by constructing a cutting-edge hangar within its grounds, specifically designed to breathe new life into old planes. This ambitious undertaking, a $25 million project that spanned 4.5 years, now stands as a testament to the center's dedication to innovation and progress. Completing the seamless synergy of AMARC's comprehensive capabilities, a monumental 11,500 feet runway now graces the aircraft Boneyard, providing a fitting stage for the final landings of retired planes. This purpose-built runway serves as a testament to the center's commitment to ensuring a dignified and efficient end-of-life process for these aircraft. With the ability to accommodate a wide array of planes, the runway further cements AMARC's status as a premier destination for retiring military aircraft. Nestled within the sprawling expanse of Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, Arizona, lies the formidable 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group. The epicenter of aircraft preservation and regeneration. Encompassing a staggering 2,600 acres, this monumental facility houses approximately 5,000 retired military aircraft. Each holding a story of valor and service. Meticulous crews at the Boneyard dedicate themselves to the art of preservation, meticulously safeguarding these aircraft for potential future use. But the center's mission extends beyond mere preservation. Here, skilled teams deftly extract and supply aircraft parts to support ongoing Air Force operations, ensuring the continuity of critical supply chains. Moreover, the 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group serves as a hub of expertise. Offering depot-level maintenance and aircraft regeneration services that breathe new life into these retired planes, empowering them to once again take to the skies in service of the nation.
A large number of the aircraft go through what's called regeneration, where we will take them and we will return them the flyable status in order to use them for different programs. For example, we're regenerating F-4s that are used as drones so that our pilots can shoot live missiles at them to identify whether or not they would have been able to hit a target in combat.
Indeed, recycling has been ingrained in the Air Force's ethos throughout its storied history, and the Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base stands as a testament to this commitment to sustainability and ingenuity. From above, the facility's vast expanse of 2,600 acres reveals a remarkable sight, a seemingly endless parade of neatly arranged aircraft, some appearing as if they could soar the skies once more. However, a closer look at the ground tells a different tale, where planes of various makes and models lie in different stages of disassembly, some with decades of history etched into their frames. This site is widely recognized by its nickname, earned for its unique purpose of reclaiming and rejuvenating aging aircraft. Breathing new life into the machines of yesteryears. Within this awe-inspiring facility, you can find a wealth of history and nostalgia. The Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base serves as a living tribute to the Air Force's unwavering commitment to preservation innovation, and the enduring legacy of flight. As we shift our focus to another remarkable aircraft boneyard, we find ourselves at the Aircraft Maintenance Cluster Twente, or AMCT, in the Netherlands. Today, Inshed Airport Twente features a 2-mile-long runway within a unique spatial environment, making it an ideal location for aircraft disassembly, dismantling, and part supplies. It maintains over 10,000 parts in stock from airliners such as the Airbus A320, A330, and A340, and the Boeing 737, 747, and 757. Venturing into the region of Tarbes-Lourdes, France, we find Tarmac Aerosave, an exemplary EASA and FAA Part 145 MRO company that has made a name for itself in the world of aircraft dismantling and recycling. With a dedicated focus on storage, maintenance, and recycling of aircraft and engines, Tarmac Aerosave takes pride in its environmentally friendly approach to the entire process. This commitment to sustainability is evidenced by their ISO 14001 certification, a testament to the high standards upheld in their advanced dismantling and recycling techniques. Remarkably, Tarmac Aerosave achieves an impressive recovery rate of over 90%, ensuring that a substantial majority of the retired aircraft and engines find new purpose through recycling, contributing significantly to the preservation of our planet. In the quest for efficient and sustainable recycling, the process at Tarmac Aerosave is meticulously divided into 3 major steps. Firstly, a thorough part removal process is undertaken to extract used serviceable materials, or USM, from retired aircraft. Secondly, material segregation ensures that each element is correctly sorted, optimizing the recycling process and maximizing the recovery of valuable resources. Finally, cutting and deconstruction involves carefully dismantling the aircraft to extract the maximum value from the materials while minimizing waste. Since 2007, Tarmac Aerosave has recycled more than 300 aircraft, significantly contributing to the aviation industry's sustainability. As we explore the intricacies of these 3 vital recycling steps and the scale of Tarmac Aerosave's impact on aircraft recycling, we witness firsthand the strides made to achieve a greener and more responsible aviation landscape. In response to the growing demand for aircraft that use serviceable material, industry leaders are stepping up to the plate to actively participate in recycling initiatives, aiming to preserve valuable resources. Companies like Sater and Boeing are at the forefront of this endeavor, recognizing the importance of sustainable practices in the aviation sector. From the sprawling desert of Arizona to the picturesque landscapes of France, the journey of retired aircraft continues far beyond their final flights. Each aircraft that finds its way into these remarkable facilities becomes part of an ever-evolving story, one that encompasses history, ingenuity, and an unwavering commitment to a greener future. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.